In the ever-evolving landscape of business, effective project management isn't just a buzzword. It's a critical component of financial health and operational efficiency. For finance professionals, where precision, accountability, and timely execution are paramount, choosing the right project management tool can directly impact budgets, reporting accuracy, and even profitability. Among the many options available, ClickUp has garnered significant attention with its one app to replace them all philosophy. But how does it truly compare to other popular tools in the project management space, especially from a finance management expert's viewpoint? Let's dive into a comparative analysis, focusing on aspects that directly impact financial operations and project oversight. ClickUp, the all-rounder's appeal. ClickUp positions itself as an incredibly versatile and customizable platform, aiming to cater to virtually any team or workflow. Its strengths lie in its extensive feature set, including multiple views, list, board, calendar, Gantt, box, mind map, robust automation capabilities, goal tracking, and built-in time tracking. For finance teams, this means the potential for granular task management, breaking down complex financial tasks, e.g., month-end close, audit preparation, budget forecasting, into smaller, manageable subtasks with clear deadlines and assignees. Customizable workflows. Designing specific workflows for financial processes, with custom statuses like data collection, reconciliation, approval, and reporting, ensuring compliance and clarity. Automation for efficiency. Automating repetitive financial tasks, such as assigning a review to the head of finance once a report is complete, or sending reminders for overdue invoices. This can significantly reduce manual errors and save valuable time, ultimately impacting the bottom line. Integrated time tracking. While not a dedicated accounting system, ClickUp's native time tracking can be valuable for tracking hours spent on different financial projects, aiding in cost allocation and billing, especially for advisory firms. Reporting and dashboards. Creating custom dashboards to monitor key financial project metrics, track budget adherence, and visualize progress against financial goals. However, ClickUp's extensive features can also be its Achilles heel for some. Its steep learning curve can initially overwhelm new users, and the sheer number of options might lead to feature overload if not implemented strategically. For smaller finance teams with very simple needs, it might feel like overkill. The contenders, how ClickUp stacks up. Let's consider some of ClickUp's main competitors and their suitability for finance management. 1. ClickUp versus Asana. Asana's strength. Asana focuses on simplicity and ease of use, providing a clean interface for task management and project tracking. Its structured workflows are intuitive, making it a quick adoption for teams seeking a straightforward solution. For finance, Asana can be excellent for managing recurring tasks like weekly reports or basic payroll processing due to its clear task assignments and due dates. Where ClickUp shines for finance. ClickUp's deeper customization, more robust automation, and wider array of views often make it more powerful for complex financial projects that require intricate workflows, detailed time tracking, and comprehensive reporting. While Asana offers custom fields, ClickUp's ability to build highly specific task structures and automate complex processes offers more flexibility for detailed financial operations. 2. ClickUp versus Monday.com. Monday.com's strength. Monday.com is known for its visually appealing and highly intuitive interface, often resembling a colorful spreadsheet. It excels at visual project tracking and team collaboration, making it easy to see project progress at a glance. For finance teams, Monday.com's visual boards can be great for tracking the stages of budget approvals or the status of various financial audits. Where ClickUp shines for finance. While Monday.com is highly customizable, ClickUp generally offers a broader and deeper feature set, particularly in areas like goal tracking, built-in document management, and more advanced automation. For finance departments that require an all-in-one workspace beyond just task tracking, ClickUp's integrated approach might be more beneficial, allowing for financial documentation, communication, and project management to reside in a single platform. 3. ClickUp versus Jira. Jira's strength. Jira is a powerhouse, primarily designed for software development and agile methodologies. It excels in issue tracking, complex workflow management, and advanced reporting for technical projects. For finance teams, Jira might be considered for managing IT-related finance projects, e.g., implementing a new ERP system or developing financial software due to its robust issue tracking and version control. Where ClickUp shines for finance. For general finance operations and non-IT financial projects, Jira's complexity can be a significant barrier. ClickUp, on the other hand, offers a more user-friendly interface and greater flexibility to adapt to a wide range of financial processes without requiring deep technical expertise. While Jira's reporting is powerful, ClickUp's customizable dashboards can be more intuitive for finance professionals to track key financial metrics. 4. ClickUp versus Trello. Trello's strength. Trello is famous for its simplicity, using Kanban boards to visually manage tasks. It's incredibly easy to learn and is fantastic for quick, straightforward task management and brainstorming. For finance, Trello can be useful for managing small, ad hoc financial tasks or for visual tracking of a simple approval process.